Hi and welcome to Grade 4 Lesson 1. Today we're going to learn the scale of E minor harmonic version and its arpeggio, and we're going to learn the Minuet by Bach. So first of all, the notes of E minor are E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D sharp or E flat and E. So if we play it one octave, we still need to remember that for the grade we will be doing 2 octaves. So we're going to start with the bottom E, the left hand key, which is here. Not this one at the side, but at the one forwards from it, with this little finger. That's going to cover the hole here and the bottom hole here, which will make the note E. And then we're going to do F sharp, which is our next note from the scale. Lift that finger and press this key here with your little finger of the right hand. So we don't want to press it here, we're going to press it slightly down here. That's the F sharp key. Don't go lower because that's a different note. So let's do E, F sharp, then G, A, B, C, E flat or D sharp, and E. Now E flat is played as if it's D with 2 fingers plus the side key at the bottom of these set of keys. Okay, so press that together with the side of this finger and that's E flat. Let's start with the E by pressing it here. And let's do that slurred. Well done. Now we're going to do the arpeggio of E minor, which is E, G, B, E, G, B, E. But we're just going to do it 1 octave for now. If that little slip happens, let's do it once again. As you practice it, of course you'll get better at these arpeggios. It's very easy to slip on the arpeggios like I just did, but you can keep practicing these and I'm sure you will get better. So what we're going to do now is going to go through the Minuet by Bach, and this Minuet is allegretto. It's a very happy piece and it goes like this. There is an F sharp in the key signature, and if you have a look at the music on the website it will all become much clearer. We're going to learn the first 8 bars now, and we are counting in 3 crotchets in a bar, and there's mezzo forte in the dynamic of these whole 8 bars. You can breathe after 2 bars at a time or after 4, whatever you prefer. That's a version of the allegretto of the 8 bars. But don't worry, I don't expect you to play at that speed today. That's just to give you an overall example of the speed of the piece. It can actually go a little bit faster when you know the notes. The notes are B, G, F sharp, E, D sharp, E, B, C, D sharp, F, A, C, B, A, G, F sharp, G, E. I'm not going to go through all the notes, but that's just to let you know the beginning of the tune. You can also look at the website, which will give you a breakdown of the 8 bars and what the notes are. Okay, so let's go from the beginning for the 8 bars. The tricky bits in this piece are to keep the quavers going with the right speed, and there's also quaver with 2 semiquavers attached to it in bar 7, which is ta ta te, ta ta te. So that repeats, that just comes once. But later on in the piece we have another group of semiquavers with a quaver. This time it will be semiquaver, semiquaver, quaver. When I come to that, I will clap the rhythm out to you. Let's now, in order to make sure you have the right rhythm, let's clap the 8 bars. So it's ta, ta, te, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, te, ta, 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 te, ta, te, ta, ta, te, ta, 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 minim beat at the end. Then you repeat that the whole way through. Let's just do it from the beginning. Well done. Take a breath and relax a little bit. Move on to the second section. And pause between the sections sometimes to take a breath and to let your lips and your muscles relax.
Let's go on to bar 9, and the rhythm from bar 9 to the end. Ta ta te ta te ta te ta 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 te ta te ta.
Bar 13. Ta te 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 ta 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 ta. Where the ta te ta is the semiquaver, semiquaver followed by the quaver. Notice that doing what we did in bar 7, which is ta ta te, we switch that over here in these bars, bar 10 and 12, where we go the opposite, ta ta ta. So it's slow rather than slow, quick, quick. Okay, so when we play it, it's going to be from bar 9, B, G, B, A, G, ta 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 ta, which is F sharp, G, A, and D. You can analyze this further when you look at the music from bar 9 to the end, but it's going to sound like this. B, 2 off middle C, that's where we're starting. And notice that if your lips relax a little bit and they're not in the position of a moon shape throughout the B section from bar 9, the notes can slip, which is what I was showing you there with B, G, B. It's a very difficult piece though. A big jump from the top B to the bottom G there. So don't worry if you can't do that bar yet. Don't worry, just keep practicing it very slowly. Let's do that again. Well done. So that's the whole piece for you, the minuet. Keep up the practice. It's not an easy piece, but I know you'll be able to do it with a few little practices. So good luck, and keep up the scales as well and the arpeggios. Well done for today. Bye for now.